Now I invite Dr. R.K. Tak, convener of the webinar, to present the report.
Thank you, Arun sir. Good afternoon to everyone. It's a great honor for me that I took this opportunity to present the reports of this webinar. The Department of Chemistry under the aegis of IQAC SPC Government College Ajmer today organized a one-day international webinar on topic Chemistry Solutions to Climate Change, Building Better Future. The webinar was held on Zoom platform along with live streaming on YouTube channel for the college for larger benefits. The event witnessed the participants of more than 750 academicians all over the globe. The webinar started at 11 a.m. IST as per scheduled. At the webinar beginning, Dr. Nilima God, Principal SPC Government College Ajmer, gave a warm welcome speech to the participants and delegates. Then Dr. Sunita Pachori, Assistant Director, College Education, Ajmer Region, Ajmer, attended the webinar as DCE nominee. She expressed the concern about the environment pollution and its effects. Dr. Dinesh Gupta, former head and vice principal, the chemistry department SPC GCA, who was guest of honor of today's webinar, delivered an inaugural address emphasizing the role of chemistry and new techniques for the betterment of climate change. In first technical session, Engineer Amit Bhargava, chemical and environmental engineer, co-founder of Enviro Apps, Calgary, Canada. In second technical session, Dr. Dilip Depan from USA explained the role of polylactic acid crystallization induced by carbon nanotubes, microstructure and degradation. He delivered a very interesting presentation and explained about all points. The last and the third technical session was addressed by Dr. R.K. Sharma, Associate Professor of IIT Jodhpur. His talk was on Rajasthani clay for environment and energy applications. He emphasized on the importance and chemistry in climate change and role of Rajasthani clay. Overall, the webinar was very informative and useful for all of us. I am thankful to the authorities of college for their kind help. Thank you very much, Dr. R.K. Tak, Associate Professor, SPC GCA.
Thank you, Tak sir. Now I invite Dr. R.K. Upadhyay sir, Head of the Department Chemistry and Coordinator of webinar, for summing up and vote of thanks. Upadhyay sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Arun. On behalf of my whole team of organizing this international webinar, I give a basket of thanks to all the three speakers, including Engineer Amit Bhargav from Canada, Dr. Dilip Depan from USA, Dr. Rakesh Sharma from IIT Jodhpur. My special thanks are to Engineer Amit Bhargav and Dr. Dinesh Depan for sparing their valuable times in the especially odd hours of their respective countries. Thank you very much, sir, both of you. My special thanks are also to Dr. Rakesh Sharma, who accepted my request at the 11th hour and delivered a very informative, valuable and detailed talk on the clay of the Rajasthan. My thanks, a lot of thanks to Dr. Dinesh Gupta, expert, advisor and former Member Secretary of the Rajasthan Public Service Commission, for giving some moments to us. We know that Dr. Gupta is always a guide a mentor for us, and we always get his blessings time to time. Thank you very much, Dr. Gupta sir. I convey my thanks to my principal, Dr. Nilma Gaur, for her valuable guidance and cooperation at each and every step of this webinar. Thanks to my colleagues of chemistry department, each and everyone who cooperated and gave their assistance directly or indirectly in any manner for the success of this webinar. I can't forget to give thanks to my technical team headed by Dr. V. Uma, because nowadays the webinars are not possible because due to webinar are not possible without any technical assistance. So again, thank you very much, Dr. V. Uma and her team. Again, I cannot forget Dr. Renu Punia, because although she is not connected directly with this webinar, but her contribution is always with us indirectly. Thank you very much, Madam Punia. My thanks to all colleagues or technical, non-technical persons who have directly or indirectly connected with this webinar. In the last, but not in the least, my very, very thanks to our former principal, Dr. M.L. Agarwal sir, because he was the pioneer of all these webinars. So thank you very much, Dr. M.L. Agarwal sir. We are explaining or we are expanding the chain initiated by you. Again, thank you very much to each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Upadhyay sir. Now I invite Dr. Sunita Pachauri, ma'am, Assistant Director, Ajmer Division, Department of College Education, nominee of Commissionerate, College Education, Rajasthan, for giving thanks on behalf of our institution. Ma'am, Sunita Pachauri.
Namaskar. I, Sunita Pachauri. Thanks to all eminent speakers who made this international webinar as a academia in world map or benchmark in a chemistry premises. I especially thank our international speakers, those give us a valuable time to contribute in this webinar. And I especially thanks to Dr. Dinesh Gupta, who always cooperate and associate with chemistry department. Thank you, sir, so much. On the behalf of Commissionerate of College Education, Government of Rajasthan, Jaipur, once again, the whole team of GCA and Department of Chemistry, those are associated with this international webinar, I once again say heartily thanks to all of you. Thank you. You make this event as a benchmark. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, as always, your free-flowing guidance and your free-flowing cooperation for us. At last, now I invite Organizing Secretary Dr. Sujitra Chaudhary for some information for the participants and vote of thanks.
Thank you, Parikh sir. Although formal thanks was given by Coordinator Dr. R.K. Upadhyay sir and Assistant Director Ajmer Division Dr. Sunita Pachauri ma'am. But being the Organizing Secretary of this webinar, I also thank all the participants, my institute, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan Government College Ajmer, my department, Department of Chemistry, and all my colleagues. I also want to thank the Central Webinar Committee, especially Dr. V. Uma ma'am, Dr. Renu Punia for their cooperation and guidance during the webinar. Last but not least, my special thanks to my family as they cooperate me everywhere, officially as well as unofficially. Now here, an important announcement for all the participants. Today, we will provide you a feedback form. Its link will be delivered on your WhatsApp group as well as on your mail address. It's mandatory for you to fill this form carefully because the e-certificates linked with its data and will taken from here for certificate. Certificate will be sent to you on your mail address within 15 days. Please keep your patience and bear with us for this period. Link for the feedback form will be open only for 24 hours, so please submit it timely. Thanks once again, and I hereby announce to end the meeting. Thanks very much. Namaskar.